Hello learners, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the meaning of analysis of financial statements. So without any delay, let us quickly get into the topic. Meaning of analysis of financial statements. Now what is financial analysis? Let's read the definition before. Financial analysis is a systematic process of classifying the data into simple groups, and making comparison of various groups with one another to know the strong points and weaknesses of the business. So in the definition itself, there are 2 points basically. What is financial analysis? It is a process. Process of what? Process of classifying a particular type of data into small groups, and from those groups what do? We compare those groups with one another to know the strong points and the weak points of the business. This is actually what is financial analysis. That means the data what is presented to us in the form of financial statements, we take those data, we classify those data into small groups as per our requirement, as per our category of comparison, and then we compare it. After comparison or during comparison, what do? We draw some conclusions, and in those conclusions, we see the strong points and the weak points of the business. So the definition is very simple, and the financial analysis meaning should also be very clear to you. Now the question may arise in your mind that in spite of having the financial statements with us, the full report card is there in our hand. Now why is it so necessary to have an analysis of those financial statements? So it is because, dear students, the financial statements on their own, they cannot speak about everything, right? They themselves do not speak about the liquidity, or they do not speak about their profitability. So we need to have a proper analysis, we need to have a detailed analysis of these financial statements and thereby draw proper or necessary conclusions from it. Understood? Now over here I would explain you the meaning of liquidity and profitability. So first let us understand that what is liquidity. Liquidity you understand in this way, that it is knowing whether the business is capable of paying off its debt or not. Do you think that just by looking onto the balance sheet, or just by looking onto the cash flow statement, or just by looking onto the statement of profit and loss, is it possible for us to know whether the business is capable to pay off its debt or not? No, it is not possible. So we need to have a proper analysis of the financial statements, and thereby we can draw some necessary conclusions out of it. Similarly with the profitability, what is profitability? Profitability is the degree in which the firm earns profit or the firm gets some financial gains. Now it is basically dependent upon the capital that we are investing. So on the basis of the capital that we are investing, how much is the business able to earn profit out of that, or how much financial gains are the businesses making out of that? For knowing it, we need to have the proper analysis. Understood? I am repeating this whole portion once again. What is financial analysis? Financial analysis is a systematic process. Process of what? Process of classifying the data in the financial statements that is given to us into what? Into small groups, and making comparison of those groups with one another to know the strong points and the weak points of the business. Now why is it essential to have the financial analysis? It is essential to have the financial analysis because on the own, the financial statements cannot speak about its liquidity, or they cannot speak about their profitability. So their proper analysis becomes very necessary. So this whole thing I have classified into small points. First one, what do we do in financial analysis? group the items in simple and understandable form. Then we make comparison and then we draw conclusions. So this is how basically the analysis of financial statements is being done. So I hope today's topic would be clear to you. I shall meet you in the next video.